He could clear a savannah after every meal. If we could play the Jurassic Park soundtrack right now, this would be perfect.
Oh, that's a good one.
And they go.
It's kind of hard when you're in
Oh my
traffic.
god, I've never... Did you record that? Him calling?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, do you see it was an emergency?
As in, like, probably to get these people off the road.
Get the fuck off the road.
Oh, look at this one.
You wrote down your window, Marisa.
Oh, don't cover it up, Mama. Be proud.
No.
Well, he still wants to nurse. He's looking right at us. There's just so many